Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device meets minimum performance and has at least 20% free storage space to avoid memory-related closures. Once done, update Call of Duty Mobile and your operating system so known bugs are patched. Next, clear the app cache and data, then reopen the game. Make sure location and storage permissions are granted. If the app still auto-closes, restart the device to flush memory and immediately try launching Codm again to observe any change. If the problem persists, uninstall Codm and reinstall from the official App Store to remove corrupt files. After reinstall, close all background apps and disable aggressive battery optimization for Codm so the OS won't kill its process. Update GPU drivers or enable a high-performance /game mode in phone settings to stabilize rendering. Also check for conflicting apps like custom launchers or overlays. Temporarily disable them. Once these steps are applied, launch a short match to confirm the stability improvement. As a final phase, back up your account progress and test Codm in device-safe mode or with VPN and overlays disabled to isolate third-party interference. If crashes continue, perform a factory reset only after backing up everything, because this clears system-level faults that persist. Before resetting, collect crash logs and screenshots so support can diagnose. If nothing works, contact Call of Duty Mobile support with logs and device details. Troubleshooting tip: try running at lower.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.